All right, now shed a little light on the situation. Going to be shooting the 9mm pistol, and we're going to run some of these 9mm NATOs, 124 grain plus P's. Those are those right there. And we're going to run a little bit of CCI. Got some of that left over. Might even crack open another box. I got the extended Smith & Wesson and the standard Smith & Wesson for this M2.0. And we're going to run it down the 50-yard line and see if there's a difference. I was told some comments that it doesn't matter, but I trust the military in their choice of firearms and their choice of ammunition any day. Let's run them. All right, Smith & Wesson M2.0 Apex Tactical Trigger. Just standard 115 Blazer CCIs. Not too much of a big deal, so let's go ahead running some of these SIG M17s. All right, here we go. Feel a slight difference in pressure. But you can't beat military grade, right? Never. All right. The first 5 are going to be some of the SIG NATOs. The second 5, 115. So we might be able to tell the difference, and we might not. So let's go. Slight difference in pressure. Well, so far, in all honesty, I don't feel the difference in the recoil in the plus P's. We'd have to pull out the intense scientific gear to see the difference. But that doesn't mean that they are not worth it.